Hello, everyone, and welcome to this presentation. Today, we're going to be talking about the IC Abroad rework / clone. So this project is a part of the course ICCS 225 Database Foundations. The idea behind this website or this project is to replicate the current website, the IC Abroad website, which is the website that MUIC's International Affairs Unit is using to give information about exchange programs to the students. So this is the original website. So let's start with the database model. This is the ER diagram. As you can see, there are a couple relations in here, and there are some of them that are not related to each other, and there are also some of them that are related to another relation. We're just gonna ignore this part because I think it's more important to kind of talk about the relation model. So let's start off with the approved course. So we have the entry ID, which is the primary key. We have NID, which is the university ID of the partner it's referring to. The CID is the course of the ID at MUIC that it's referring to. So this is basically a pairing between a course at MUIC to a course at a partner university. There's the there's the country relation. So this has the country ID, the name of the country and the continent. There's the FAQ relation that has the FAQ ID, which is just the primary key, the question, and the answer of the question. The next one is the IC course. So this is basically a relation for every course offered at MUIC that has been approved to be equivalent to another course at a partner university. So we have the CID, which is the ID of the course. This is only for the database. The course code is under IC CID. The course name is under IC name. There's the number of credits, and there's also the major that the course is from.
And we also have a links relation, and links will contain the different links that will be used inside our website. All right. So it has a link ID, which is unique to every link. And then we have our link name and then the URL itself. Up next, the partner cost table. So of course we have NID, which is auto increment, so it's unique to every course. And then the PCID is the course, it's the course ID. Yeah, so like CS 101 and all that stuff. And then PN name is the full name of the course, the credits, and the major the course is in, and of course the uni ID, which is the university that the course is in. Okay, and we have our constraints and all. So now we have the partner university table. It contains uni ID, which is unique to every partner, and then the uni name, which is the full name of the university. The country ID tells us which country the uni is from. It also has required GPA, housing type, the min-max costs required, to go abroad, and then the links to, all the resources available, the map links, incoming student links, and then the course open links basically. And then we have our constraint, the foreign key, country to country ID, and we have the users table and we have the users table. It manages every user in the system. So we need a username and password, of course, nothing else.
Okay, so next is the demo of our application. So currently it's deployed at this link. Yeah, so let's have a look at it. So this is the main page of our web app. It basically has the same information as the original website. Let's ignore that. So from here, we have a couple links that is related, and from here, you can also select the region to begin your journey, which is the same as this portion. Let's just go through each page. So this is the home page. There's the partner universities. So this is separated by continent. If we go into Asia and we go to, let's say, this one. So in each continent, it's separated by country. And when you go into one university, then it just lists out the information given to us from the database. The next one is the buddy program, which is basically one of the requirements. And because the website has a separate link for it, a separate page for it, we're also doing that as well. This button will take you to the buddy registration form. The next one is the apply page. This is basically how to apply to the exchange program. We're using the infographics provided by the original website, so it's just in a carousel like this. The next one is course equivalency. So this is basically one of the tables that we had where it keeps a mapping between the university, the course at the host university, and the course at MUIC. But these are just dummy data, so it doesn't really make a lot of sense right now. But I think it works just to demonstrate about which functionality work. And from here, we can also search for a pairing. So for example, I want to look for a course that is equivalent to ICCS 101 at MUIC. So I can search for this and it will show only the courses that are equivalent to the course that we're looking for. The next one is the FAQ. This is basically just listing out the different questions that are often asked by exchange students or students who plan to go on exchange. And this is also queried from the database. The next one is the admin page. I forgot to log out. So the next one is the admin page. We can use the username and the password, but it just flashed by. So one of the pages is the links. This is basically where we keep the links for the exchange info session because it changes every term. The buddy registration is also separated by term, and the course equivalency form is also separated. So we have a way for the IA staff to update the links pretty simply so they don't have to come to us every time that they want to update a part of their website.
Right, and then let's move on to the CRUD stuff. Okay, now we have a page to add our university as well. Okay, we have all the fields there. Now what could you fill in the name for me? All right. And we could select our country. All right. Put in the required GPA, select housing type, and then the min max cost could be null because some of the information may not be provided. All right. Once you hit submit, then it sends a post request back to the backend, and then it will add to and then it will insert into the database. Right. As you can see, it is now there on the website. Super fast, right? Okay. And then we have our edits as well. Down below you can click on the university and then click edit, and then all the text should be there. You can change some stuff and then you click save edit, and then just update the info in the database. There we go. All right, and then up next we have uni courses. So you can add all the courses that the university is provided. So the left side is our partner university, and then the right side is our is to add our courses. So MUIC courses. So let's add some courses to our partner university. All right, some course. See. And just click submit. The UI is super intuitive. There we go. It should pop up in the list below. If you wanna if you wanna edit the course, just click on the field below, and then the info should pop up. There we go. Yeah, save edit. There we go. Everything should be saved. Yep. So you could also delete the course as well. The same applies to add a music course. Basically the same. Yep. All right. Now we have our courses. Let's go to how we are linking the course together. Okay, so the top bit shows every links, shows the mapping to the host university course and to our course, right? To add the courses is so simple, right? You select the stuff to the left table, just click it. Yep, and then you should see the name up in the field, and then we choose our courses that should link to this course, right? And then you just click link, and then it should pop up on the top table right there. Yep, there we go. To unlink is simple. Just click on the row on top. Yep, and then you just click unlink below. It should disappear. There we go. Nice and simple. Best UI.
Yep. And
Yeah.
that should be, we can also press the logout button to log out. And if we try to go back to the admin page, then you need to log in again. And that is it for our presentation. Thank you for listening, and bye-bye.